Hi guys, it's Stephen Edwards from Chapter Tax Accountants. This is just a really short video just to explain a little bit about a business tax account, what it is, why you might need it. If you're a client of ours, we're probably asking you to create your own business tax account because we need it to get permission to act as your accountant or your agent with HMRC. The new rules, which are called MTD or Making Tax Digital, requires most businesses to set up their own business tax account. If you've had an accountant for the last few years, typically you've not needed to set this up because the accountant does it at their end. They create their own agent account, but HMRC are pushing more and more people to have their own access. And what a business tax account basically does is it gives you access. First, you create an account and you create a government ID and a password, and I'll show you where you can do that in a second. To create your own ID and password, you just need an email address and basically create your own sort of password, and you can follow through the instructions that HMRC walk you through. But once you have access to your business tax account, you can then add a particular tax or a particular service, because initially it's basically empty. You're just going to have an ID and a password, but there won't be anything on there. And then what you need to do is you need to have access to all of the sensitive information for your business to actually add that particular tax. So if you want to add VAT, you're going to need things like your latest VAT return, so you know what the numbers are, your date of VAT registration, your VAT address, so the postcode used for your VAT address, and also your VAT number. That's some of the information you're going to need once you've set up your business tax account to also add VAT. If you're looking to add something else, if you're looking to add PAYE or corporation tax, there's different bits of information you'll need. So PAYE would be an accounts office reference, an employer's office reference, but you don't particularly need to add everything. If you want to, it's just a centralized place as the business owner. You can add these things, but for the purpose of this video, we're just showing you how to do it because we want to get access to officially be your agent with HMRC, and it does unfortunately require you to have your own business tax account, which is the kind of new rules for people that are already, particularly when it comes to VAT. If you're already on Xero or QuickBooks and you've been doing online VAT returns, this is the way you've got to do it with HMRC. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to find your way onto this screen. So if I do create government ID and password, you need to create your own government ID account. Okay, so you register when you tell HMRC that you have a limited company. So you need to basically create an account for the very first time. So if you click on it's a business tax account that you want, just make sure I give you the right one. Create a business tax account. Ignore my typos. So if you Google that, get onto this screen and then come to the bottom. Basically, this is where we were a minute ago. It says sign into your business tax account. If you're not set up yet, follow these steps. And it basically walks you through what to do here. It gives you a little bit more information there. So you can watch that video, which is quite a handy video. But if you go, let's have a look at what's on here.
Postcode of your registered office.
Okay.
If your company is not based, add more than. Here's how
so once you've created your account,
VAT.
You can add VAT, you can add corporation tax.
Start using the service.
Okay, activate your PIN. This is something you'll have to do. And once you're in your account,
select add a tax.
You can add a tax,
duty or scheme. Select corporation tax. On the following screen, enter your 10-digit corporation tax.
Okay, that's for corporation tax. If it's VAT, it'd be different information.
Taxpayer. Then select this option. Assessment. If you live abroad, select this.
Okay, this one's for self-assessment, so your NI number and your tax reference. This one's for PAYE. Hopefully we get a VAT one in a second. There we go, here's the VAT one.
select the type of VAT service you want. Enter your 9-digit VAT number, followed by the VAT registration number, postcode on your certificate of registration, date of registration, month your last VAT return ended on, and amount from box 5 on your last VAT return. That's it. You can find more information.
Okay, so that's basically what you do once you're in your business tax account, but you need to get a government ID to start with. Okay, so if you haven't got an ID, you can go onto this screen, you can go to create sign-in details, and it's this screen up here, this URL, this link at the top. So www.access.service.gov.uk/registration/email. Basically, just walk through the wizard. So this is to create an account to get in and have a government gateway ID and a password. You will need to put your email address in. They will send you a code, and you activate everything. But once you're in, the previous video that we looked at is basically what you need to do. So you need to click on Add VAT or Add Corporation Tax. For the purpose of this video, I want to focus on VAT. Add VAT, pop in all that information it asks for from your last VAT return, date of registration, postcode, etc. And then you will be able to get access to VAT. And then once you've done that, let us know. We can send you a link, and then basically you can click on that link, sign into your business tax account, and just give us permission to basically be your agent with HMRC for VAT. Cheers, guys.